If you're tired of applying and waiting weeks for a maybe, this one's for you. I'm breaking down remote jobs hiring daily in 2025, where you can literally start working this week or next without a degree. Make sure you hit that and subscribe so you don't miss when I drop the next video on skills that get you hired faster. Alright, let's get into it. Why daily hiring matters. Companies learned in 2024 that waiting months to fill roles costs them money, so in 2025 they're hiring fast, especially for support, sales, and content-based jobs. That's why you're seeing more instant hire and quick apply remote roles. A lot of these pay weekly or even daily through direct deposit or PayPal, so this video isn't just for people who want work, it's for people who need income flowing now. Job 1, Mod Squad, Customer Support and Community Moderator. Mod Squad hires daily for roles like chat moderators, email support, and social community management. No degree required, they love people who already know how to communicate and handle customers. You can apply directly at modsquad.com/careers and they'll send you onboarding paperwork in 2 to 3 days. Pay usually runs $14 to $20 an hour, and some clients pay weekly via PayPal. Tip: make your resume sound like you've managed online communities even if it was Facebook groups or Discord servers. Job 2, We Localize, Transcription and Captioning. If you have a good ear for language and like typing, We Localize is one of the few companies still hiring daily in 2025. They offer projects from captioning YouTube videos to translating audio snippets for AI training. All you need is a laptop and Wi-Fi. Pay ranges from $10 to $25 per hour, and some tasks pay same day on completion through Payoneer or PayPal. Pro tip: these tasks fill up fast, so check your email twice a day after signing up. Job 3, LiveOps, Virtual Call Center. This may work for you. I tried one job and wasn't for me, but other people has had great experiences. If you don't mind talking to people on the phone, LiveOps is hiring daily for remote agents. You choose your own schedule and take calls for companies like healthcare providers, insurance, and retail. You can start within a week of your background check clearing. Heads up, because you're a 1099 contractor, keep a notebook for tax write-offs, headphones, Wi-Fi, and workspace all count. Job 4, TELUS International, AI Online Evaluator. This one is for people who like flexibility. TELUS International hires daily for AI training tasks, rating search results, testing ads, or reviewing maps. You can do it anytime, even late at night. No calls, no customers, just you and your screen. Pay averages $14 to $20 per hour, and you can start training within days of acceptance. Lightbulb pro tip: make sure your application mentions analytical thinking and attention to detail. Those keywords help you stand out. Job 5, Raya and Hello Tech, Remote Gig Support for Tech Users. If you know basic tech troubleshooting, like setting up Wi-Fi or fixing printer issues, Raya and Hello Tech hire tech support workers daily. You get paid per ticket or chat, so if you're fast you can make daily money. Perfect for anyone who likes helping people but doesn't want to commit to a 9 to 5. Pays $18 to $30 per hour depending on client and task type. Remember, you don't need a perfect resume or a degree. You just need consistency and the right strategy. Apply to 2 or 3 of these tonight and follow up with the email contact if you don't hear back in a week. That's how you get seen. If you made it this far, drop a laptop computer emoji in the comments so I know you're still here and serious about your bag. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily and weekly pay remote job videos, and check the description for the direct links to apply for everything I talked about today. This is Sharon B, helping you make money from home in 2025. See you in the next video.